Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Foodybite inside today we need to develop this here the edit profile screens. We need to develop here inside the letters. First of all, we need to see these designs inside the XD files. Now need to open here's the XD softwares. Open here and look like this here the edit profile screens. We need to developing here. First of all, we need to making here the this edit profile row. Then after update buttons, we need to put this here the text fields, and then after last ones we need to developing this here the user profiles with edit icons buttons we need to develop here. Let's start how to write down inside the flutters. First of all, we need to create here the screens. We need to go here and we need to write down here for the screens. Need to developing here. We need to first of all the create here the new screen folder inside the profile folders, and we need to create here the new files and to give this here the name edit underscore profile underscore screen dot dots. Like this we need to file name sets, and now we need to create here the stateful widgets, and we need to give this here the name edit profile screen, and we need to import this here the material dependency, create here the scaffold, and we need to set this here the f bars. Set here the f bars. We need to set here the center titles. We need to set here the true. Set here the another configurations also need this here, and to set here the titles text, and to set titles edit profile, and we need to set this here the styles text styles. Set here the color t colors primary text. Also need to set this here the font 16, and font weight also need to set this here the semi bold 600. Like we need to configurations and to save this here. Now we need to develop this here the leading buttons icon button. I need to set here, and we need to set this here the icon, and we need to set here icons dot arrow back iOS, and set this here the color t color primary text. Need to set here, show this here, save here, and we need to configure this setting how to open this here. Click on edit profiles buttons, and here opening here the edit profile screens. We need to go here first of all the profiles tabs, and find out here the edit buttons edit profile buttons. Need to use this here the context dot push extension methods need to call here. If you not see here the second video, please first of all here the second video. Inside we need to explain in details how to create here the build context inside the push methods. We need to how to create and extend this class. Need to explain in details. Now need to use this here the context, and to give this here the edit profile screens. Need to configure here and to semicolons, and now need to save here and to click here and open this here the edit profile screens. Now also need to set here the cancel action buttons need to develop here. No needs because we need to already back buttons here the givens. We need to same functionality, but we need to UI display goods. That's why I need to put this here the cancel buttons inside the action array. Need to create here the text button on press event on dot context dot pop extension methods need to call here. Again we need to copy and to paste this here back button inside. Now set here the text, and we need to set this here the name as a cancels. Now create here the style text styles. Set here the color t color primary text, not primary text. Need to use this here the placeholder colors like here, and need to set here the font weight. Need to set here the 600 and show like this here. Set here the comma and show this here the cancel UI. Now we need to making here the scaffold body. First of all, making here the body. We need to create here the scroll view, single child scroll view, and we need to set here the childs, and we need to set this here the column, and we need to set here cross axis elements. We need to set as a center. Then after we need to configure this here the padding. We need to set here the symmetric padding. Horizontals we need to set here the 20, and verticals we need to set this here the 13. Like we need to configure here. Now We need to develop this here the buttons. First of all, we need to set here the round button. Need to set here the on press event. Create here the titles. Update. Save here and show like this here the update buttons. We need to give this here the some height space. Size box. We need to set this here the height. We need to set this here the 50 and set here the cost value. Now we need to create here the round text fields name, and for emails we need to developing here. First of all, we need to create here the round text fields. We need to set here the int text name, and we need to set here the icons widgets. We need to use here icons dot. We need to give this here the person to outlet. So we need to set this here. Also need to set this here the color. Primary colors we need to set here and show like here. Give this here the comma and show here. Now show like this here the name. Now again we need to give this here the some height space. Set here the 20 and to create here the email text field like here. Save here and to show here. Also need to change this here the email outlets icons we need to set and show like this here the edit. Again we need to create here the state height space and to developing this here the user profile image with here the edit buttons we need to making here. Need to set here the size as a 17 like this space, and now need to developing this here the stack. First of all, create here the childs and we need to develop here, and we need to also give this here the alignments for buttons. We need to give this here the bottom right sides. That's why I need to set here the alignments of this screen. Alignments dots need to set here bottom right like here configurations. Now we need to create first of all the user image assets. We need to set this here. Now we need to go here and to set here the brand one image, copy relative path and paste this here. Then after we need to set this here the width 100 and also set here the height 100, and we need to set here the fit as a box fit cover, and we need to set here. Now we need to write down here the rep with widgets. We need to clip our rect. Need to set here the border radius. Circulars, we need to set this here the 15 and save here and show like this here the user profile image. And now we need to create here the buttons. We need to convert into the buttons. Create here the rep with widgets and inkwell. So need to set here like here and on tab event like here. Now we need to developing this here the buttons of the right corners. We need to making here inkwell again. So need to no needs because need to already given here the inkwells. That's why no needs. Need to create only the UI containers. Create here the decorations, box decorations. Create here the colors, T color primary. Then after we need to set here border radius. Border radius circulars. We need to set this here the 20 and we need to set here the borders. Set here the all, and we need to set this here the color T color. Maybe we need to here the white color like here. Set here color like. Set here the width. We need to set here the 2 like here. Then after to configurations here the view problems maybe issue. Why not primary like here. Give this here the width and heights. We need to provide this here the 35 like here and show like this here. Now set here the center icons alignments. We need to set here dot center. Set here the childs and create here the icons dot edit, and to set here the color T color primary We need to set this years and also need to set this here the size 20. Need to save here. Need to restart this years, not reflecting. Click on logins on GPS, select here the profile, edit profiles, maybe set here wrong colors, that's why white text, and show like this here the icons. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.